Welcome and welcome back to Escape to Find Peace. Hope you guys are enjoying the weekly travel recommendations that I share here every Thursday. Today I am here at Riverland in Dubai. Yep, it is free. Riverland is located at the center of Dubai Parks and Resorts, the region's largest integrated theme park destination. The Riverland at Dubai Parks and Resorts is essentially a walkway that connects all the theme parks and hotels at Dubai Parks and Resorts. Wondering how to reach here? Best option recommended is via car. Parking is also free. But if you plan to come by RTA bus from Dubai, it takes more than 1.5 hours to go to Riverland from downtown Dubai. You need to take the red metro line to the UAE Exchange Station in Ibn Battuta Metro Station. The RTA bus from there leads to Dubai Parks and Resorts and take you to Riverland. From Ibn Battuta Metro Station, you will get bus for every hour or so. Kindly double check in the internet too. Also, if you don't want to wait, better to take a taxi from there. It might cost you about 50 dirhams. Riverland Dubai is a free-to-enter destination, which is perfect for friends and families of all ages. This place is a combination of themed, retail, dining, and entertainment. If you plan to visit here, you also get to see Motion Gate, Bollywood Parks, and Legoland. Even though Riverland entry is free, Motion Gate, Bollywood Parks, and Legoland charges you. The tickets are quite expensive. But if you wish to purchase it, I will leave the link in the description below. Kindly note that apart from Riverland, every other parks have a different timing and different prices for the tickets. Riverland is opened from 11 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday. During Friday and Saturday, it is opened from 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. These timings might change in future. So, I suggest you to always refer their website or call them up. I really love the architectures, especially the village and the peninsula. This little artificial town is laying on the both side of an artificial river. You can also find few restaurants and souvenir shops throughout the boardwalk. You can find a small tram inside. I could not use it as it was closed by the time I knew about it. After Motion Gate, I loved the Riverland's Irish Village, which literally reminds of some of the beautiful villages in Munich and Germany. Winter is the best time to visit here. Reach at least 2 to 3 hours before sunset. I felt like I am outside the UAE because of the European architecture built here. The whole place is well maintained. I chose to skip Legoland since I arrived late, and also because it was for kids mainly. Families. You may want to explore this first when you reach here. Tourists who are staying in nearby hotel might get complimentary tickets to all the parks here. Visitors can also take a boat trip out onto the lake, which you will enjoy if you are here at the right time. They put in some music over the speakers in the evenings. I wish they had a better playlist. Unlike other places in Dubai, here they have also placed several seating areas. Make sure you're wearing comfortable walking shoes, because you'll be walking a lot in this place. There are plenty of cafes and restaurants to choose from. But then, only a couple of them were opened while I visited. Most likely due to poor footfall to the parks. I visited in January, and it was really quiet. However, by night there was a little crowd. I think people are not choosing this place due to them charging such high prices for the theme parks when they are not even big parks. Most of the restaurants were also quite expensive. I felt that it's at least 5 dirhams higher from the normal price outside. This place could attract even more people with proper marketing and access to frequent transport facilities. Hope things improve, otherwise this place will be a ghost town. It is recommended to visit during special occasions. They do perform live events, and more stalls might appear during special days. The India Gate is right in front of Bollywood theme park, and as expected it has the design of Indian cities with its cafes and restaurants. If you love my weekly travel recommendations, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and bell icon so that you're the first to know whenever I post videos. Also, share with someone you would love to visit this place with. See you guys next Thursday.